can we ill afford to tolerate it, or there should be a mid-course correction?
No, absolutely. It's high time that it has to be corrected.
Okay. But Silpaji, it cannot be done by you or me.
Yes,
we
definitely.
need Honorable Prime Minister to intervene, and they should bless the crime-free Bharat mission with the 21 objective.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is my capabilities? My capability is that we will bring 20 times more money to the government of India.
Yes.
Expenditure will be brought down to 50%. Right? Whatever expenditure is being made, salary of the government employees will be doubled. I will not say salary, I will say revenue stream, and the total income will be doubled. Right? And the revenue stream will be available when you are doing a job. Right? So the government people will be doing the job very honestly, but very properly to the satisfaction of the public. Then only they will be getting the revenue stream, and the sum total of the revenue stream is guaranteed to be the double of the present salary.
Yes, perfect.
And
this
is
a perfect mission, Sarji.
Then this.
So I am with you.
Just a minute. Let me little more elaborate. I mean, it's not question of you are with me or I am with you. It's question of how we can reach out to the Honorable Prime Minister to reverse it, and it will transform this country.
Yes.
Do you know what it says? It is guaranteeing that all government employee, their income will be doubled. The burden on the government will be halved. They will not getting the salary. They will be getting revenue stream for doing the quality job. So their output will be increased. So there will be, and the burden on the government will be halved because the revenue stream will be coming from the person whose work is being done.
Yes. Who takes it up as his own professional and his own, घर का काम हम बोलते हैं ना, like that, Sarji. We will do it in such a way wherein in the corporate sector we call it as incentive. When they do it perfectly with a very good motto, and they do it beyond their work.
They will not be getting the salary, any other salary. They will be getting only revenue stream.
Yes.
And do you know, say, let's presume Maithili Sharan Gupta is a lazy person, right? He is not doing a good job. So,
correct.
And let's presume
he should be immediately removed.
No. Nobody will be removed. Say, just hold on. Say, Maithili Sharan Gupta is a highly inefficient person, right? And I am getting a salary of, say, 1 lakh rupees, right? Under new dispensation, my total income will become the 2 lakh rupees per month, right? Since I am not doing my job, so probably the sum total of revenue stream may be even less than 1 lakh, right?
Yes.
Let's presume that.
Yes.
But as per my commitment, from my own debit account, I will get the remaining of the salary. So let's presume 50,000 would come through the revenue stream. Remaining, you have 1 lakh and 50,000 will be coming from my own account, that is the debit account.
Okay.
So I will get the 2 lakh rupees.
Very good idea.
I will get the full 2 lakh rupees, but I will get a memo also that I have not done a good job. That 1 lakh and 50,000, it is a basically kind of a loan, kind of a debit from which is to you, and you will be advised and trained how to really earn more than 2 lakh rupees.
Yes. This is a very good idea.
So we will make you capable, right?
Yes.
Now this is one idea, right? Now we are having the idea that farmers will be getting the 5 times, or this grains will be owned by the farmer only. At present क्या होता है? वो मंडी में जाते हैं, middleman जो है ना उसको purchase करता है. In future, grains will not be going to any mandi. The farmers.
This has to become a very very strong law, wherein we have to go to the farmers, and farmers should take the core responsibility of.
They have good time. There is no responsibility. Crime-free Bharat mission intend to train whole lot of the population, provide them the cutting-edge level skills, will provide the cutting-edge tools also.
Yes.
They will not be walking on their foot. They will be having transport to move on.
Yes.
If they are so poor, even clothes will be given and nothing will be free.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
And
now everyone, see, farmers were supposed to go, as you said, to the mandi and everything and put their own, hard earned and not just sweat, but their blood, to get to that person and to sell so many tons of tomatoes, potatoes, whatever, or rice or wheat, whatever, etc. But now, as you mentioned, the machineries, the packing system, everything will be given to them, wherein they can only recruit so many people from in and around villages, because they are our main backbone. Without farmers, there is no one, absolutely no one. There cannot be Shilpa, there cannot be Sharan Gupta-ji, no one, absolutely no ministers, no prime ministers, no one. Food is not there, then how will we survive? So main thing, as you said, the farmer should be given utmost superior respect, utmost superior, the professional has to be given in such a way wherein they don't have to struggle a bit. Everything will go to them on time and every clear cut and billing, whatever is there, it will be done accordingly, the procedure wise.
Very true.
Yes.
So Shilpaji, there are the models available. And you will be surprised that I conducted 12 Smart India Hackathon in year 2020.
Oh,
so a lot of technological solution I could get the opportunity to do in my official position as a DG Police Reform.
Wonderful.
Right.
Yes, sir. I can imagine, sir, when you were in position, I know how many great things, I will not say just good things, but great initiatives that you have done for our people and the society. And this thing, now the organization should be taken in such a way wherein it has to reach each and every house and the member of that particular house that we are in so and so mission and we should also support them in the right way and to spread this information and awareness basically, and not to, as you told, consume unnecessary things like which are very the cancer related, which can cause harm to our body. Let's not make our body a dead body when we are capable enough to live in a very good society in the upcoming days.
Basically, we will be transforming and will be reforming the whole ecosystem without any burden on the government of India.
Yes, definitely.
Basically, we are having one revenue model which will be working at the background. Basically, rupee will be working in the background of that money, and I have given the name Bharat Vikas Nidhi.
Oh, wonderful.
Bharat Vikas Nidhi, and one Bharat Vikas Nidhi will be equal to 1.1 rupee.
Okay. Wonderful.
So whatever is being purchased through the Vikas Nidhi, it will be having the automated more than 10% discount, right? Because your Nidhi is already higher than rupee. So from one Nidhi you will be getting 1.1 rupee. So that indirectly you will be getting the 10% discount. Now the people, those who are not having this Bharat Vikas Nidhi, they can purchase this Nidhi by just paying 2%, right?
Yes.
So it means for them it will be costing 1.02 rupee, right? And they will get the Vikas Nidhi worth 1.10. It means they are getting the advantage of the 10%.
Absolutely.
And this Vikas Nidhi will be on the basis of the work which we will be doing in the farms everywhere. So we will be basically everything will be done on the farms basically.
Yes, on behalf of our farmers, we will be taking up this initiative.
Let me explain it. Basically, every farmer will be having 3 accounts.
Okay.
One account is called the earning account, and I popularly say it one MSP, because the one MSP they will be getting right the moment their product will be out of their field. And their product will not be going to the mandi. Their product will straightway go where they are going to be consumed. So from there, before going to that place, there will be 2 treatments which will be done at their field only. That is the number one will be the quality certification.
Yes, very important.
Right.
And
Thereafter,
without the usage of any fertilizers or pesticides, but it will be proved that it is 100%
that will not be
organic.
there, because that will become a law. You cannot use the chemicals and they will not be produced, they cannot be imported. So that risk, this quality check is for that, what is the quality of the things which we have produced. It means it will be attending to the two attributes. Number one will be physical attribute, and second will be the quality or test related attribute. So say for example, you are having a guava, right? So what is the size of the guava? What is the test of the guava? And what are the other content of the guava? This will be tested by a team, and that certificate will be available right in the QR code, and